Features. Let's start with the processor. Yeah, this is the major important feature. This one is the rear side. 50 IQOO 12 Pro. So in this video, we're going to talk about these mobiles. Features. Let's start with the display size. This mobile comes with a 6.78 inches of bigger 144Hz refresh rate LTPO3 AMOLED display, and it is a 3000 nit peak brightness supported display, and it is also supports HDR10 plus content. And when we talk about the the processor, yeah, this is the major important feature of this mobile. This mobile comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is a octa-core 5G processor, 4nm based processor. When we talk about the 5G, it comes with almost 17 bands of 5G. Yes. And by the way, if you're watching the video until now, subscribing to the channel will be amazing. When we talk about the cameras, this mobile comes with a triple cameras at the rear side. 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization and 64 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera with optical image stabilization and 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. Total of 3 cameras. We can shoot up to 8K 30 fps with this mobile's back cameras. For the front, I don't know why, but this mobile comes with just 16 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. When we talk about the battery, yes, this mobile also comes with a humongous battery. There is a 5100 milliampere of battery, which supports 120 watts of fast charge through wire, 50 watts of wireless charge, and a 10 watts of reverse wireless charge. When we talk about the variants, this mobile will be available in different RAM and storage variants. It will be available in 8GB RAM 256, 12GB RAM 256, and 16GB 512GB internal storage variants. Now, these are all the combinations of like Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0. Combining all these, we can expect killer performance with this mobile. And also, let's talk about this mobile's operating system. It comes with the Android version 14 out of the box with the FunTouch OS 14. So all the latest features. And we can also say that this mobile doesn't have any IP68 water or dust resistant, but this mobile has a ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, and this mobile also have the features of Wi-Fi 7, tri-band Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5.4, which are latest features. And this mobile, when we talk about this mobile features, and this mobile also have the features like it comes with a metal frame and front back glass. And when we talk about this mobile box contents, it comes with the mobile itself and a charger probably, and Type-C cable, and also semi-ejector tool and some quick start guides or something, and also a TPU case. So these are the things that you will get in this box. And when we talk about this mobile features, this mobile doesn't come with any 3.5mm jack or loudspeaker, but this mobile comes with a stereo speakers, and this mobile also has a separate chip for the display enhancements that's called a V2 or V version chip. And this mobile also comes with and when we talk about this mobile's colors, this mobile will be available in 3 colors mostly. Those are, I will be willing to buy this mobile from the Amazon website in the description box down below with the colors I have even mentioned there. You can directly purchase from the description box link in the down, and you can also watch other videos of my channel in the description box. Links are here in this iCard section links. And this mobile price might start from 64,999 rupees, almost like 65,000 rupees. So yeah, that's a huge price, but yeah, this is a flagship mobile, so we can expect that much price. So if you're going to buy this mobile, do let me know in the comment section down below. So that's it for the video.